So, nakuha na natin yung overhead application rate sa bawat producing department. We are now ready to answer letter B. So, dun sa letter B, wait, letter A pa pala nakalagay dito. Okay. So, for letter B, pinapakompute sa atin total cost of job 1, 2, 3 and job 1, 2, 4. So, yung direct materials given na. For direct labor, iba-iba kasi yung rate per department. So, isa-isahin natin yan. So, for department A, 3 pounds and 80 cents per hour. So, multiply mo lang sa respective hours nila sa department A, 20 and 16. For department B, 12 hours tsaka 10 hours. Multiply mo sa rate na 350. For letter or department C, 10 hours tsaka 14 hours. Multiply mo sa rate na 3 pounds and 40 cents per hour. So, for the overhead, gagamitin natin yung na-compute nating overhead absorption rate kanina dun sa spreadsheet. Okay? So, you multiply 20 and 16 by 12.8719, 12 and 10 by 12.4361, yun yung absorption rate sa Department C. And for Department C, kanina pala Department B, no? So, for Department C is 14.125 times 10 at saka 14. So, after allocating the overhead, you can get the total for each job. So, ayan, 853.92 tsaka 779.46. Continuing yung discussion sa letter C, paano daw ang price na i-quote kung ang profit ay 25% of selling price. So kung ang profit ay 25% of selling price, ibig sabihin yung cost is 75% of the selling price. So i-divide mo yung cost ng bawat job by 75%. Yun yung cost ratios nila. So tinukuha mong selling price nila. 1,138 pounds and 56 cents and 1,039 pounds and 28 cents for jobs 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 4 respectively.